Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be showcasing you how to fix your iPhone 17 Pro Max or the iPhone 17 Air that does not turn on. What you want to do is follow these simple steps to quickly fix it. Now the very first thing which I recommend is charging your phone at least for half an hour before trying this method. So just go ahead and charge it either through the wire or wirelessly. Sometimes this port might not be working, so you might want to try wirelessly just to make sure there is no issue with the charging cable or anything. Now, once you have charged it for at least half an hour, even an hour or so, you are going to follow these quick steps. So you are going to see the volume up, volume down button and this side button on the right side. What you need to do is quickly press and release the volume up, volume down and then hold on to the side button and keep on holding for as long as you need to until you can see the Apple logo appears on the screen. So here as you can see, I'm holding on to it, still just waiting for the Apple logo to appear, and when it finally happens, I let go that side button. And then keep on trying this method as many times as you need to. Eventually, you should see the Apple logo if your phone has charged and it does not have any hardware issue. So again, all I did was quickly press and release the volume up, volume down in a sequence, one after another, and then I was holding down this big side button until I saw the Apple logo appears. I will do it one more time again, volume up, volume down, and then I hold on to this side button. And as you can see here, I'm going to do the same thing. The phone is going to go back completely black, which is fine. And then you look for that Apple logo to appear before you let go the side button. Essentially, it will fix the iPhone 17 that is not turning off or won't turn on, just like that. And this method will not delete any of your data. Things like photos, videos, apps, music, documents, anything you have on your phone will still be there. It's just basically shutting down the phone software and then reloading the code just like that. So guys, that is it in this particular video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.